Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, Annoying as DiDi. And today, you guys already know what today is. Today is cleanup day, and my house is a mess. Look at this kitchen. Like, as soon as I think I'm getting there, it's like I get 2 steps back. Just 2 steps. Just 2 steps. We getting there. We getting there.
This is a wheeze beat. This is a Weezy.
Alright, y'all, so your girl is done. I'm done, y'all. I'm done, right? So we did a lot today. Actually, this was like a 2-day cleanup because I started last night and then I got kind of tired. So I was like, I'll do it. I'll finish the rest in the morning. So we did that and we are done. So as you can see, the living room is done. All of that is done. Dining, done. Don't worry about that. That's my drink that I was drinking while I was cleaning. Kitchen is done. All that is left over. So if the kids get hungry, boom, that's on the stove for them. But your girl's finna get up out of here, you guys. We cleaned out the microwave. That needed to be cleaned out so bad. Swept, mop, wipe down the tables, the counters, clean dishes, put the dishes away in the dishwasher. What else? It just seems like when I say it out loud, it seems like I didn't do a lot, but I did. That took a lot of time, a lot of energy out of me. Burnt a lot of calories today. But yeah, you guys, so we are done. I'm gonna get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby. Get you some shea butter at ebay.com. Seller annoyingasdidi_0.